How to unsilence notifications on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings and it will lead you here, right? You go here to the fourth section where you can see notifications, sounds and haptics, focus and screen time. So tap on sounds and haptics. Now here in sounds and haptics, you will see here ringtones and alerts where you can have and control this one. And as you can see, you can adjust the volume for the notifications here. So here, if you want to unsilence the notification on iPhone, then all you have to do is to put it here up until it is here on the no audio sound. And then the other way for that is you can turn this on so that you can change it with buttons. So that means you can adjust the volume here using the buttons on the left side. Or what you can do is on the left side of your phone here, the physical phone, you will see this button, the up and down button here, where you can put your phone into silent mode or into ringer. So if you want to unsilence your phone, then you put it on ringer and the adjust the volume. And basically that's it, and that is how you unsilence notifications on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.